A powerful exploration team enters deep into the forest to connect with the rare Sooty Mangabey monkeys.
Slowly, the Sooty Mangabey monkeys begin to feel safe around their new human friends.
The team carefully approaches the natural habitat of the Sooty Mangabey monkeys with respect and patience.
Fresh bananas and juicy mangoes are offered to win the trust of these intelligent creatures.
A beautiful connection forms between humans and Sooty Mangabey monkeys.
The team ensures the monkeys are cared for, fed, and treated with kindness. Moments of joy, playfulness, and trust fill the jungle atmosphere.
A perfect harmony between nature and humanity.
Using completely safe and humane methods, the Sooty Mangabey monkeys are carefully secured.
Using completely safe and humane methods, the Sooty Mangabey monkeys are carefully secured.
The monkeys are gently placed into climate-controlled vehicles for a comfortable journey.
Before transport, each monkey receives a full health and safety check.
The Sooty Mangabey monkeys arrive safely, ready to be cared for in a protected environment.
A dedicated nutrition area provides healthy meals for every monkey.
Each cage is specially designed for comfort, space, and well-being. Also,
Professional doctors arrive for routine health checkups.
Each Sooty Mangabey monkey is carefully examined by experts.
The factory maintains a structured and well-managed environment for the Sooty Mangabey monkeys. A comfortable warm water system is prepared for safe bathing.
Shampoos are used to carefully clean the monkeys.
Each howler monkey is thoroughly washed in a calm and controlled manner.
After bathing, the capuchin monkeys are carefully moved to the drying section.
In the drying room, warm controlled air gently dries the Sooty Mangabey monkeys.
The robotic machines begin testing, while the Sooty Mangabey monkeys sit calmly with the devices on their hands.
A perfectly maintained stainless steel facility where the Sooty Mangabey monkeys are kept in a controlled environment. The factory is fully organized with clean stainless steel structures and professional care areas. Every bone passes through this advanced stainless steel environment for further processing. Raw bones travel steadily through the high-tech conveyor system. Powerful stainless steel processing units operate alongside the moving bones. The factory process begins inside a fully automated stainless steel production hall. The process begins as raw bones move through the stainless steel conveyor system. Pelletized bones move forward through the automated system. The cleaned bones are placed neatly on the stainless steel conveyor belt. The cleaned bones are carefully transported to the crushing machine, where the next stage of processing begins. Once crushed, the bone fragments move along the conveyor for further processing and refinement. Bones move slowly into the crushing chamber, where industrial-grade machinery prepares to break them down. The final crushed bone material is collected and prepared for the next stage of production.
The finely ground bone powder is collected and transferred onto the next stage.
Is stored in a controlled environment for analysis.
Once the bone powder is collected, it's brought to the laboratory for precise analysis.
The first step is to examine the texture and grain of the bone powder.
Advanced equipment is used to assess the quality and consistency of the bone powder. Chemical tests are conducted to ensure the purity and composition of the bone powder.
After all tests, a detailed report is generated, confirming the quality of the bone powder. The bone powder is prepared to be transformed into liquid form.
The powder is carefully loaded into a high-tech mixing tank.
Pure filtered water is added to begin the liquid conversion process.
The mixture slowly turns into a smooth liquid solution.
Powerful mixers blend the bone powder with water. The solution is continuously stirred for perfect consistency.
Precise temperature control ensures proper transformation.
The mixture is gently heated for further processing.
A special safe chemical agent is added to enhance the formula.
The solution gradually becomes thicker and richer.
The chemical reaction begins inside the liquid mixture. A smooth, thick consistency starts to develop.
Samples are taken for quality verification.
Additional elements adjust the color and texture.
Filtration removes any remaining impurities. The mixture reaches its final thickened form. The processed material is moved to a holding tank. The final refined product is now perfectly prepared.
The bone powder has now been successfully transformed into a thick liquid, ready for the next production step.
The first automated filling station injects precise amounts of toothpaste into each tube.
Vacuum-based filling technology ensures air-free, perfect filling.
A high-speed rotary system fills hundreds of tubes per minute.
Quality inspectors manually verify the filling accuracy.
The plain white tubes are now perfectly filled and ready for final sealing.
Perfectly filled blank tubes move toward the high-tech branding station. Precision laser-guided technology prints the brand with ultimate accuracy.
From blank surface to a perfectly branded masterpiece. A blank white tube transforms into a fully debranded Colgate toothpaste.
Freshly printed Colgate tubes pass through final visual inspection, ready for packaging.
Every tube is carefully placed into its official Colgate packaging.
Human precision ensures perfect quality packaging.
Fast and flawless automated packing system in action.
Each box is securely sealed for safe delivery.
Ready to be delivered to millions of happy customers.
Packed Colgate toothpaste boxes are carefully placed into large shipping cartons.
Trucks transport Colgate products across towns and cities.
Choose their trusted Colgate toothpaste.
Colgate toothpaste stands proudly ready for customers.
Customers confidently purchase their favorite product. From factory to home, Colgate delivers healthy smiles worldwide.